Jeter 101 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy.
Here we go, guys. 8361 Tier 1 baseball. Full case. Go to the team list. I'm not mistaken, guys. The next time you will see this, we will be doing another triple case break on Monday. The last one that we did it 2 weekends ago, or 2 weeks ago, 2 Mondays. So that one went fairly well, and we're hoping to repeat the success that it had. But without further ado, let me get everything set up, and we'll be right into Tier 1 baseball. Again, guys, not much left on the site. 4, 5, 6. 4 left in Chronicles Racing. 4 boxes for the day. 5 left in the case break of Bundesliga Finest. And then 6 left in our football mixer. Here we go, guys. Had a mess up at the end there. Here we go, guys. Good luck to everyone. And like I said, this is my my first time opening it. So I'm excited. Here we go. We got a fatty. Okay, but first, Nolan Arenado for the Cardinals. JMM to 249. Lewis Gill for the Yankees. Rookie autograph. The Yankees. J Hobby. Next, Eddie Murray to 99 for the Baltimore Orioles. HN Oles. Autograph. And I think. Yep, we got a button. Alex Rodriguez. 4 of 5 for the Seattle Mariners. M. Haggerty. Button for the Seattle Mariners. Oh, we start a break. Let's continue getting crazy here. This one seems lighter than the last one. Here we go. Austin Riley for the Braves. Jersey to 349. J Hobby. Tyler Glasnow to 299 for the Rays. Dunk. And Frank Thomas for the Chicago White Sox to 25. Mike at Card Fishing. Just starting off hot here, guys. Just crushing it. That's just 2 boxes. Box number 3. About a little Hank Aaron. Bat relic to 149 for the Braves, J Hobby. Jackson Kawar for the Royals. Rookie autograph, Frankie D. And Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins. Rookie auto, J Hobby. Box 4. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Kyle Hendricks for the Cubs. Jersey to 399. FedEx John. Mason Thompson for the Nationals. 81 strikes. Rookie autograph. Aaron Nola for the Phillies. M. Haggerty. Autograph to 299. And Paul Goldschmidt to 149 for the St. Louis Cardinals. JMM. Nice Goldie. To 149. Dual jersey relic. 25/25 for the Padres. Fernando Tatis Jr. Dunk. 2 beautiful pieces there. Lucas Giolito. Tier 1 talent for the White Sox. Come on. There it is. Micah Card Fishing. Jazz Chisholm Jr. for the Marlins. J Hobby. Autograph. And Ozzie Smith for the St. Louis Cardinals. JM to 149. A lot of good names in this stuff. Here we go. Box 6. Good name on the back here. First, Trey Mancini for the Orioles. H&O's jersey to 399. Daniel Lynch for the Royals. Rookie autograph. Frankie D. And I think it goes this way. Awesome. 1 of 1. Al Kaline for the Detroit Tigers. 81 strikes. Cut auto jersey. 81. Congrats, brother. Hey, don't say anything about Scotty pulling you stuff. Scotty comes through all the time. Al Kaline, 81 strikes. Detroit Tigers. 1 of 1. Whew. And that's only half the case, guys. That's only half the case. Hey. Juan Soto to 249 for the Nationals. Jersey. 81 strikes. Next, Yusami Grandal. Yusmani. Sorry. Yusmani Grandal. For the White Sox, Mike Card Fishing. And I think this is another vertical one. Bo Jackson to 75 for the Kansas City Royals. Frankie D. Bat jersey relic. Sorry. Bat relic. Bat relic auto. That's the word I'm looking for. That's the phrasing. Bo Jackson to 75. Now, you got Houston. Okay, gonna try. Oh, Astros and Dodgers. Okay. That's a big card on the back there. This case is just okay. Here we go. Grandal for the White Sox. Micah card fishing. Ramirez for the Cubs. FedEx John and J Hobby. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. Reggie Jackson, Aaron Judge, 13 of 25. Woo! J Hobby. Come on, focus. Aaron Judge, Reggie Jackson, dual autograph to 25. This case is just pulling the heat. Gotta fix the camera there. Just craziness. Here we go. This is box 9. Oh! Okay. Okay. How about that right there? Jim Thome for the Philadelphia Phillies bat knob. M. Haggerty. 1 of 1. I was more focused on the back card than I was on the front card. Holy crap. What a case. What a case. Wow. What a case. Jim Thome. Wow. Pozo for the Rangers at 249 or 299. Van Pelt. And this back one here, the 149 Tier 1 talent. Pete Alonso for the Mets. Al Stake. We got 3 boxes left, guys. Wow. 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 Caution earphone wearers. I am sorry. Josh Gibson. Who's that? Josh Gibson in 99 bat relic. I'll look it up, but if one of you guys can look it up too. Josh Gibson to 99. And then Torrey Hunter to 25 dual relic for the Detroit Tigers, 81 strikes. Miguel Sanchez for the Brewers, J Hobby. And Anthony Rizzo for the Yankees, J Hobby. Yeah, if I get to the end there, and Josh Gibson, he's a catcher, I'm assuming, from I don't even know what era that would be. 2 boxes left. Here we go. Box 11. Alex Bregman for the Astros. A. Popich. He didn't get struck out, but 399. Connor Wong to 299 for the Boston Red Sox. Just Pete. And Randy Arozarena for the Tampa Bay Rays to 25. Yeah, no, that will be for sure a 30-team random. Dunk. And final box of a crazy case. Here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. J Hobby. Wow, that's 6. Xander Bogaerts, dual relic, patch jersey for the Boston Red Sox. Just Pete. AJ Alexi, rookie auto for the Texas Rangers. Van Pelt. And to finish off the case, Andy Pettitte for the Houston Astros. Tier 1 talent. Allen. We got a 30-team random here. Josh Gibson. But let's just do a quick recap here. This stuff is just beautiful and deserves to be showed off. First, Jim Thome, bat knob, 101. And then we got the Reggie and the Aaron Judge to 25 dual auto. We got the Al Kaline 101 cut auto. And the Alex from Rodriguez for the Mariners button. Let me go set up this 30-team random for the Gibson. Wow, wow, wow. Team random. Here you go, guys. This is for the Gibson bat relic. He never actually played in the major leagues. Here we go, guys. 3 times. Good luck to everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Baltimore Orioles. H&O's. Congrats. Let me scroll down for you guys. 3 times. Guys, group break number 8361, Tier 1 Baseball. Phenomenal case. There you have it.